attention please. This is Appleton Estate Reserve Remixology 2012. I'm so excited to bring Remixology back for a third year. This is the first one, New York City. This year is going to be something else.
Cocktails, music, what can go better?
This competition is all about performance and cocktails.
You have to combine the music and the good drinks, which actually is the thing what every bartender wants to do in his place. Music has power, and you tap into that behind the bar.
Obviously, you're putting on a show for people, and that's something that gets lost in a lot of competitions today.
You can't be a wallflower and enter this competition.
Can't stop, addicted to the shindig. Chop top, it says I'm gonna win big. Choose not a life of imitation. Distant plus into the reservation. Deep off the pistol that you pay for. This pump the feeling that you stay for. Go ask the dust for any answers. Come back strong with 50 delegates.
This year in particular, such incredible entries. I really can't wait to see the final product.
It's an amazing competition, and I think because there is such a level of performance in this one that other competitions don't have, there's a lot more at stake here. You're showing off a lot more, you're proving a lot more of yourself, and obviously it's Appleton rum, and getting to go to Jamaica would be fantastic.
Put your hands up, you know who shut them down.
The winner of Appleton Estate Reserve Remixology New York City 2012 is Lubens Besse!
I originally had no idea what I was going to do. I started off trying to do the cocktail first, and that didn't work, so then I went with the song, and it just kind of came from the heart, and it worked out pretty well.
I'll see you guys at the finals.